In today's video, I'm going to show you how to use the Wix e-commerce website step by step, even if you're a complete beginner. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to create a brand new Wix e-commerce site, choose the right template, customize it, and get it ready for publishing. Wix is one of the most popular website builders in the world, and its e-commerce features make it perfect for selling products online without coding. If you're serious about building an online store in 2026, this is a great place to start. And before we dive in, if this video helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy software tutorials like this. All right, let's get started. First, open your browser and go to Wix Studio. From the Wix dashboard, look for the option to create a new site. Wix Studio is designed for more advanced layouts and e-commerce flexibility, so it's perfect for online stores. Once you're on the Wix Studio page, click on Create New Site. This will take you to the template selection area, where Wix offers different design categories. Next, you want to click on the Studio template option. This ensures you're using the modern Wix Studio editor instead of the classic editor. The Studio editor gives you better control over layout, responsiveness, and e-commerce features. After selecting Studio templates, you'll see several categories to choose from. Now, click on the e-commerce category. This is where Wix shows templates that are already optimized for online stores. These templates come with product pages, carts, and checkout layouts already built in, which saves you a lot of setup time. Take a moment to browse through the e-commerce templates and find one that matches your brand or business style. Once you find a template you like, click on it and then click Edit. Wix will now start loading the editor. This can take a little time, especially if it's your first time opening Wix Studio, so just be patient while everything loads. Once the editor opens, you can start customizing your e-commerce website. You can edit text, change images, adjust colors, and reorganize sections to match your brand. You'll also want to add your products by going into the e-commerce or store section inside Wix. From there, you can add product names, prices, descriptions, images, and even manage inventory. Make sure to review your store settings as well, including payment methods, shipping options, and taxes, so your store is fully functional. When you're happy with how everything looks, preview your site to see how it appears on desktop and mobile. Wix Studio automatically helps with responsive design, but it's always a good idea to double-check. Finally, when everything is ready, click Publish. Your Wix e-commerce website will now be live and accessible to customers online. And that's how you use Wix to create and manage an e-commerce website step by step. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more Wix and software tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.